on YouTube? Man, I met the ZX Predator out here in the building today, heading down to Extreme Machines. It's October 27th, Saturday. You know, I gotta go get a jacket, but we're gonna meet these guys down at Extreme Machines a little bit later. So Danny, we'll see you down there, brother. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Unfortunately, Arthur and Rad, they're stuck here today. But yeah, we're here at Sam's Lunchnet. I got an omelet, getting ready to be prepared. So yeah, so we're gonna catch up with Danny and them down at Extreme. But I gotta pick up a jacket and I gotta talk some business. So we're gonna, yeah, I'm about to. Oh yeah. I got some Padawan training, you know. We're gonna have some fun with it. But yeah, just a little intro for the video. But yeah, we're gonna head on out in a little bit. We're gonna eat and we're gonna rock. You know, shout out to Moto Mac. I couldn't make their SmackDown today. It was too early for me, and I hadn't had a Saturday to sleep in like almost 5 weeks. But you know, there's gonna be some fun down there for these guys. So with that, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're gonna have some 360 stuff, and we're gonna get this guy trained up, baby. Let's rock and roll.
The revolution will be live.
That's how we do. Like she'll say, coming up on the right or left, or there's roadkill or something like that, you know. But hey, I'm telling you, this goes a long way. Yeah. A long way. All right, so we'll just take 1 and 9. We're gonna go out and then just take turnpike to 7. Yeah, but just follow me. I'm not doing anything for you. Unbelievable. I gotta get it. I got a gift card from Extreme that I'm trying to use. And so I'm gonna get a jacket, and then I gotta talk to Maselli and their PR guy.
Oh, so everyone's down there?
Well, Mike and Danny went, so we'll see. But I just gotta talk to them, and I'm coming right back. All right, we'll see y'all in a bit. Bike sounds different.
Bike?
Yeah, if you listen to it, mine sounds different from yours.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. I can tell.
I'm gonna ask Gio for permission, but this head looks ported and polished. Yeah, we're gonna have a discussion and see what's going on here. some feedback for you. Some good stuff.
But before, when you was gunning it, I was done. My shit was like,
Yeah, you need another helmet.
the helmet is big.
Yeah. I didn't know there was an event. I didn't know there was an event. Well, yeah, it looks like they're already here. Huh? Alright. Stream machine is popping today, baby. Alright. We'll see y'all inside. Yo, Danny, I didn't know there was an event going on here today. Alright, bet. You see, they got a nicer location. It's like nice and out and about, and then people.
The whole crop is done.
Yeah, folks. We just had some fun out there. Gio doing my Padawan stuff. So, a little story. I dropped my helmet and messed up the mechanism on the side. That's my fault. I need to get the stock mirror so I could, you know. Yeah, I think I might be done with the wings for now, but. Yeah, we're gonna go into Extreme Machines. I gotta get another jacket. You know, so Danny, it was already here. They got like a little car thing going on. I had no idea. It's some old school stuff. So, Danny, this is a car and bike show? I had no idea they had an event going on. You got Mooses and freaking Triumphs, Dixers, all that good stuff. I might do a live, we'll see. Yo, today was perfect, bro. Today was perfect. You got the Ducati over there. Oh, hey, Gio, thanks for letting me know, man. I got this. Oh, that's mad cool. All right, gonna roll around. Like I said, I gotta get a jacket, so we'll see y'all in a bit.